Hey everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and delete your Bumble account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, what you would do is you're simply gonna go ahead, first access your Bumble on your mobile phone. Once you have done so, you can see this kind of interface will pop up where you can see, you tap on this keep swiping, where you're gonna go ahead and just swipe left if you are uninterested, swipe right if you are interested. That way you can simply be interested in the person, and you can go to this heart icon. You can see the people that are interested in you as well. For instance, but let's say you are done with your Bumble, you would like to delete your account. What would you do? You're gonna go ahead, go back to your profile icon that will be given below left corner, and then afterwards you're going to go ahead, tap on the settings icon that will be given on top right corner of the screen. Afterwards, this kind of interface will pop up with all of the information, all of the settings that you can do for your profile. Afterwards, you're going to scroll or tap on this delete account option that will be given below. Now you can see you have to choose a reason why you're deleting account: found in a relationship, billing user issue, dissatisfied services, any order. You can choose it. Once you have done so, you can simply turn it to a BFF or hide your profile, or if you still want to delete, tap on this delete account option. Now you have to type delete and tap on this confirm option. It will light up, and there you go, you will be able to delete your account like that. So this is the way for you guys. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on our next video.